Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 1988 Mercedes 560 SL. Man, I've had a crush on these cars ever since I was a kid. I saw one, absolutely fell in love with it, and I'm absolutely ecstatic I finally get to drive one. Just nothing beats 80s Mercedes quality. Listen to this. That is like a bank vault. This thing is absolutely amazing. Going inside. Power windows. There we go. Put on our seatbelt. 560 SL, 5.6 liter V8, 227 horsepower, 279 pound-feet of torque. Do have AC, does work well, which honestly I was shocked at. SL, I mean, these were the SLs, you know. Obviously you have the original SL, that was a version of the Gullwing. That was your first SL. But when you think of 80s Mercedes, this is precisely what I think of. It is very roomy in here, I will say. And rear view mirror, I mean, it's right here. Visibility is great. Don't have to worry about not being able to see because, well, you can see everything. There's not a lot of technology in here to block your vision. This one has the hard top fitted. Of course, you can have a soft top. This armrest is super comfortable. Only one airbag in this. This one. It's your only airbag. Man, I love the 80s. This thing is just super comfortable. Yeah, the SL was designed as a grand touring car. You know how much I would pay so much money to be able to just drive this up and down the coast on a day like today. You know how, with the roof down, it was just absolute luxury. I will say I will not be flooring it. You know, it's not, I have way too much mechanical sympathy to floor this car. No, this is a touring car. This is just comfortable cruising. Now you guys, everybody always asks me in the comments, like, or even in person, what's your favorite car you've driven? You know, you've driven a Ferrari 575 Maranello. You've driven an Aventador. Does this, like, what do you think about older cars, classic cars, normal cars? I like them just as much, guys, honestly. Everybody loves to drive a 488 Pista. Everybody loves to drive a Ferrari 575. Everybody wants that just to say they did. But at the end of the day, yeah, as cool as it is to drive those cars, there's something unique about a classic car. There's something unique about a little bit cheaper cars. You know, when you drive a 488 Pista, you're terrified. And this car, I'm a little nervous about. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want anything to happen. But just, there's not many cars like this. I can go to any Ferrari dealership in the world and see a 488, right? What Mercedes dealership has one of these? They don't anymore. Especially one that runs and drives as well as this one. This is comfortable. Now unfortunately I don't know if this is restored, if this is all original. Part of me wants to say this is all original, you know, and it's just very well maintained. 95,000 miles on it. I mean, you have cruise control. Like, what on earth? I mean, for an 88, this thing's pretty cool. Wow, there's so much power there. Oh, there's something so cool about driving on a brand new road. Oh yeah, for those of you that want to hear the horn, it's pretty cool. I love horns. Like, a car that has a unique horn has a unique spot in my heart. All in all, this is a very different kind of video. I don't drive many cars like this because not many cars like this exist anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.